everyone, Julie here. It's the start of rainy season here in Japan, which means the hydrangea, as they call it here, ajisai, are in full bloom. I still haven't left my town since my last video update, but I found myself a little shrine tucked away at the back street of Kawagoe's main shopping area, with lots of pretty ajisai. Let's walk there. Omunomu, 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 omunomu. Yay! Hydrangea. Hope you enjoyed my leisurely walk in search for some hydrangea. I got that right, didn't I? Anyways, I've got lots of flower photos for Instagram too, so do follow Julie X Japan on Insta. From next week onwards, I'll be slowly easing into normal life, which means I'll also be heading to Tokyo again. Yay! But not the busy part just yet. So, please subscribe to Omunomu to follow my Japan travel and food adventures, and tell your friends about it. Until then, make sure you have fun and eat snacks.